Hello everyone, hope you're well, hope you're fine. By the way, I'm Saurabh Roy. I'm the student of English literature. In this video, I'm going to talk about dictionary. So let's talk about dictionary. The first question from this topic: do you use dictionary? Definitely, I use dictionary whenever I read. If I don't know any word meaning at the time, I use dictionary to know the word meaning. So I can say that yes, I use dictionary. Then, do you prefer to use electronic dictionary or a dictionary made of paper? Well, I always prefer to use electronic dictionary because you can easily use it. You don't need too many times. Then you can see the different types of variation to know the word what meaning. So this is the reason basically I always prefer to use electronic dictionary. Then if someone give you a dictionary as a gift, how would you feel? Though I already mentioned that I use electronic dictionary, but if anyone give me as a dictionary, definitely it can be paper made dictionary. So maybe I won't read dictionary, but definitely I will keep dictionary on my bookshelf. By the way, last question from this topic: what kind of person do you think writes a dictionary? Definitely, those people who have a lot of knowledge about the word, and those are person who are very talented. Definitely, they can write dictionary. To be honest, I don't have enough idea of this sentence or of this answer, but I can say that those people who have a lot of ideas about the word and they can write dictionary. Well, that's all about the dictionary. By the way, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, tata.